Depict. To represent or show something in a picture or story.
I can see the cross, but where's the eagle?
St. John the Evangelist, who was always depicted with an eagle. And he's called the Eagle of Patmos. He is the...
Is Quahog in the grip of a serial arsonist? Police say no, but our producer says yes. Here's an artist's depiction of what the arsonist might look like. Anyone with
Mortal. Unable to continue living forever.
I've been locked in this room for days with only whiskey to sustain my mortal soul.
As Professor Arnold always said, humankind is the only virus cursed to live with the horrifying knowledge of its host's fragile mortality.
Novel. 1. New and original. 2. A long printed story.
My dear, you were brilliant.
Thank you. But perhaps we should wait till we actually win the vote before we make a victory speech.
What a novel idea.
You're T.R. Francis. You wrote the Angelica Button books. They're my favorite fantasy novels.
Yes, it's...
Occupant. Someone who lives in a particular place.
Now, as a building manager, I got a legal right to enter an apartment, especially if I feel the occupant to be unwell and the occupant is not current on her rent.
And we assess that one of the other occupants of the house is UBL.
Appoint. To choose someone officially for a job or responsibility.
You know, sir, when you made me head of the EPA, you were applauded for appointing one of the most successful men in America to the least successful agency in government. And why did I...
You don't just go around changing math! Who the hell is this chick Surgeon General appointed by Obama? Goddamn right!
Quarter. 1. An area of a town. 2. One of 4 parts of something.
The manuals?
The manuals! You read the manuals!
Yeah.
So you know the way back to headquarters!
I guess.
Matthew, I didn't give a quarter of my savings to MIT so you could work at the mall.
Site. A place where something is, was, or will be built.
I was right there in that construction site, right on top of it, and then it turned out to be you.
So what's gonna be over there, Dad?
That the Oasis. Future site of Oasis Hotel.
Quote. 1. To repeat the words that someone else has said or written. 2. To state a price or amount that something will cost.
you going? To the casino. I'm feeling lucky. Oh, no. No. Dave said, and I quote, we're old enough to make our own decisions. He meant we were old enough.
I'm not going to quote your price till I check your credit rating. And I want to make myself clear on this.
Verse. A set of lines that forms a part of a song, poem, or a book.
Well, Patrick, we should be there in one more verse. Now that we're married.
Finally. The Book of Oa, first chapter, first verse.
Morality. The quality of being right, honest, or acceptable.
The world is cruel, and the only morality in a cruel world is chance. Unbiased.
I'm not an idiot. I know there are bad men in power. It's not a perfect world, but we can't just throw morality in the garbage.
You don't have a clue what it means.
Rome. To walk or travel with no clear purpose or direction.
Mordu has never been seen since, and is roaming the wilds waiting his chance of revenge.
Message E4. The service user has roamed outside of the coverage area. Please try again later.
Attract. To make someone like or admire something.
What is it about this ship? Why has it attracted so much attention?
What a dump! Now, if they want to attract a decent sports team, they should bulldoze this rat trap and invest in a new arena.